A very good morning to all. Today we are going to start with a poem, and the name of the poem is I Can Be a Pal. So first of all, what is the meaning of pal? Pal means friend. So today we are going to learn about a poem about friendship. And this poem tells about the value of friendship, how a friend should be. This poem clearly tells about how a friend to be in different conditions. So now let's start with the poem. Now you can take page number 38 in your textbook. So let's start with a warm-up exercise. Here you can see different pictures. What you have to do is, you have to tick different things that you could do to make friends. Okay, so what is the first picture? It's a picture of two kids sharing food together. So sharing things together can make true friends, right? So you can tick there. See the second one. What are they doing? The kids are playing together. So playing together can make two good friends, right? Moving on to the third one. What is the third picture? The third picture gives an idea that both of them are fighting together. So fighting together can make good friends? No. See the fourth picture. What is the fourth picture tells about? It tells about they are sharing their colors. So again sharing. Sharing can make good friends. See the next picture. Both of them are helping each other. So helping each other can make good friends. Moving on to the next one. The boy is making fun of the little girl. So, is that good to make fun of your friend? No. So these are some of the ways in which you can make good friends by sharing, by helping each other, be kind to your friend. So coming to the poem, I already mentioned this poem. The name of the poem is I Can Be a Pal. And this poem is written by the poet's name Kristen Smith. And what this poem tells about? This poem tells about the value of friendship. So we are going to read this poem and you have to listen carefully to this poem. I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be a pal when you are in a bind. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. I can be a pal when no one wants you. I can be a pal every single day. I can be a pal, what do you say? So this is the poem. So now let's discuss this. So let's see the first two lines. I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. So first of all, what is the meaning of this feel blue? Feel blue means feel sad. So here the poet says that. Who is the poet? The poet's name Kristen Smith. So she says that when you feel sad or when you are lonely. So what is lonely? Feeling alone. Or when you are new at a place. I can be a good friend to you. I can be a friend by smiling at you. So the poet says that when you are sad, when you are alone, I can be a good friend to you. So see the next line. I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be a pal when you are in a bind. So what is the meaning of in a bind? In a bind means difficult situation. So here the poet says that you should always find a friend who is honest, kind and truthful. So the poet says that I can be a honest and kind friend to you when you are going through a difficult situation. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. I can be a pal when no one wants to. So here the poet says that I can be a good friend to you with good behavior. So we all need to follow good habits in our life. So here the poet says that I can be a good friend by saying thank you and please. So when do you say thank you to one person? If you receive something from others, you always say thank you. And when do you say please to someone? When you want to get something from others, you always say please. So the poet says that I can be a good friend to you with good behavior. And I can also be a good friend to you when no one wants to make you as a friend. See the next line. I can be a pal every single day. I can be a pal, what do you say? So here the poet says that I can be a friend to you not for just 1 hour or 2 hours and not for just some days. I can be a good friend to you every single day. And she is asking a question. Are you ready? Are you ready to make me as a friend? So are you all ready? So we all love to have a friend like this, right? So a friend who is honest, who is kind and who is trustful, and a friend who is always with us at the difficult situation. So that is true friendship. A true friendship means a friend who is there with us at the time of difficulty. So that is true friendship. So did you all like the poem? So this poem is about the value of friendship. How a friend should be at the time of difficult situations. So what you can do is you can read this poem 2 times and understand it, and you can color this pictures. So now let's move on to the exercise. First exercise in page number 40. Write true or false for the following statements. So you have 3 questions given. So you can write true for the statements which are right and false for the statements which are wrong. So I'll read out the questions and you can mark the answers. So the first one, a pal is honest and kind. The second one, a pal does not help a friend in trouble. And the third one, a pal wants to be a friend every day. So hope you have done with the answers. So let's see the answers. So the first one, a pal is honest and kind. So what is the answer? The answer is true. The poem clearly tells that we all need a friend who is honest and kind. The second one, a pal does not help a friend in trouble. So what is the answer? The answer is false. A friend always helps a friend in the time of trouble. So the answer is false. The third one, a pal wants to be a friend every day. What is the answer? The answer is true. The poem clearly tells that a pal wants to be a friend every single day. So the answer is true. Coming to the next exercise, take the correct answer to complete each sentence. So you have 3 questions given, and based on this option, you can write the answers. So let's read out the first question. I can be your friend by dash at you. So 2 options are given. Smiling, shouting. So you can write the correct answer in the space. Coming to the second one. I can be your friend when you feel dash. Happy, sad. And the third one. We can be friends by saying please and dash. All right, thank you. So what is the answers? So now let's discuss the answers. I can be your friend by dash at you, by smiling at you. So answer is smiling. The second one, I can be your friend when you feel dash, happy, sad. The answer is sad. The poem says that I can be your friend when you are in blue, when you feel blue. That means when you feel sad. So the answer is sad. The third one, we can be friends by saying please and. What is the answer? Answer is thank you. Moving on to the next exercise. Here you can see some words given. So polite words. So we always should follow good habits in our life. So when do we say thank you to a person? When your parents give you a gift. So what do you say then? You say thank you. And when you do something by mistake, what do you say? You say sorry, I did this by mistake. And when you want something from others, when you want to get something from others, or when you want to borrow something, so what do you say? You say please. Can you please give me this? Right. So these are some words that we should always follow in our life. These are some polite words. So let's see the three questions given here. Dash for the gift. So the space is given there. So if you receive a gift, for example, if you receive a gift, what do you say? Which word do you say? You say thank you. Thank you for the gift. So you can write in that space thank you. Okay, coming to the second one. I pushed you by mistake. So if you have pushed someone by mistake, what do you say? Sorry, I pushed you by mistake. So the word is sorry. The third one, may I take your pencil? If you want, suppose you want your friend's pencil, then how do you ask? May I take your pencil, please? So use the word please. So you can write in that space, please. Coming to the next exercise. This is rhyming words. So you all know what is a rhyming word. So what is a rhyming word? A word that ends with same ending sound. A word with same ending sound are called rhyming words. So what you have to do is, you have to find rhyming words, words which rhyme for these words. So you all know, you have learned rhyming words. So what you can do now is, you can pause the video, look at the poem once again, read the poem, find the rhyming words, write it down in the space given. So now you can pause the video. Once you have done, play the video, then we'll discuss the answers. So hope you have done. So let's see the answers. So the first one, blue. So can you say which word rhyme with blue? From the poem itself, we can see which word that rhyme with blue. It is you. The answer is you. The second one, kind. Which word rhyme with kind? It is bind. The third one, day. Which word rhyme with day? It is say. Okay. And the fourth one, what is the answer? You. Which word rhyme with you? It is to. You, to. Moving on to the next exercise in page number 41. Fill in the blanks with word of your choice. So, you have to complete these following sentences. So, let's read out and let's discuss, and you can do it by yourself. My best friend dash near my house. So, you can fill that space with your own words. You can write, my best friend lives near my house. It's all up to you. You can write words of your own choice to complete this sentence. Next one. I like her because she dash her toys with me. So you can write, she shares her toys with me, or she gives her toys with me. So you can write. Then, I go to her house to dash. So why do you go to her house? I go to her house to spend time with her, or I go to her house to play with her. You can write like that. Then, her mother gives me dash to eat. You can write, her mother gives me snacks to eat. So like that, you can complete these sentences. You have to make a friendship band. So first of all, what is this friendship band? So band means a bracelet which is given by one person to another person as a symbol of friendship. On Friendship Day, we always give this band as a symbol of friendship to show the love and care towards that person. So even we can make this band in our home with our homemade things. So you can try this in your home. The following steps are given. So for that you need some straw, scissors and strings, and the following steps are given, and you can make this at your home. You can make a friendship band. So once you have done this, you can upload this picture, the picture of this band, in Microsoft Teams in assignments. You have to write new words that you have learned from the poem. A space is given here. You can write it down in the space, or else I've already mentioned you about keeping a book for writing new words. So you can write it down, the new words in that book. So we are done with this chapter. I hope you understood about the poem, I Can Be a Pal. And this poem clearly tells about the value of friendship. So we'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, thank you.